It's Monday about 11. It's shaping up to be a good knife day. I was not expecting it. I just picked up a set of restaurant knives, some big serrated knives and some long slicers. And I'm headed to Norfolk now to pick up some Shun Premiers. And then I have some knives to pick up from a condominium in Virginia Beach. I don't know what they look like, nor do I know what the Shun Premiers look like or how many. But we will know soon. Stand by. All right, here they are. Our first stop was a vintage hatchet. And we got some slicing knives from the coffee shop, 2 chef's knives, some serrated knives, and then our homeowner guy, he only had 2 knives, but nice Cutco, and I imagine this is a Pampered Chef, I think it says. I'm saving the best for last. Stand by. 11 Shun Premiers. Vegetable cleavers, chef's knives, Santoku, boners, Paris. Fine knives. Very expensive knives. I like them. They get really sharp too.